Okay, so we got some exclusive content for you right now. I just had a new garage door opener put in yesterday at my new place, and we're gonna make our first run into the garage. Here we go. Even though this is upside down, you can see we got the LiftMaster garage door opener. So we're gonna click the button, open the door, and roll on into the garage. And on in we go. Careful as not to take a mirror off or run into anything. And it looks like we're in. Now that we got our way out of the car, the only thing left to do is press the button and drop the garage door. Hopefully we don't take the back end of the car off. And here we go. Well, I guess it is true. The small things in life make all the difference in the world. And one of those small things is parking in a garage. This is John, signing off.